Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today, I teach you chapter 6. Topic is prevention of rusting. Previous classes, I also discussed the topic of rusting, to cause of rusting. The cause of rusting is mainly oxygen, water, moisture, and both are combined, then rusting of iron. So today I discuss the prevention of rusting. First thing in our mind, prevent means that is the safety of iron articles from coming in contact with oxygen, water, or both. Where iron article contact with oxygen and water, then react with that iron article and generate to corrosion. So simple way is to apply a coat of paint or greasing on that iron article to save longer time and use longer time. So that iron metal, that is prevention. How to note rusting on iron article, that some way to increase his life, that is prevention of rusting. Means that types of activity are done to iron article, his life is long, so that is prevention of rusting. How to rusting is generate on that iron article, that is the comes to water and oxygen or both, then appear on rusting on iron article. So that iron article not rusting to that usage of something, and some process are done to prevent of rusting. So simple process is greasing and painting on that iron article. Now coat should be applied regularly to prevent rusting. If you watching near and there, that iron grill rod, that is 2 year 3 year after that is painted, when scrubbing the iron rusting is removing and then coating on the paint or grease to remove the rusting and long life, his life is longer. That is the prevention of rusting. So deposit a layer metal like that is chromium, zinc, or iron, that is process of this process, name of that process is like chromium, zinc, and iron. That process is name of galvanization. This galvanization, that galvanization sheet are used in houses, that is like shaded. So that is galvanizing iron to prevent of rusting. So his life is increases, that is the process of galvanization. Iron sheet in our homes we use galvanized iron. GI sheets means galvanized iron sheets. If you watch the any sheets on written GI sheet, that is the galvanizing iron sheet, means that sheet on galvanizing are done, so his life is increases. Now if you think some parts, some articles are regularly in water and oxygen, contact with water and oxygen, like ship. Ship is always inside and upside of the water, so half part inside the water and half part up above the water, so that is made of fully iron. Mainly 70 to 80% parts are made of iron sheet, so that is, and salty water is in here in seaside, so that is reacted, more reacted of that iron, so more prevention needs of rusting, because not prevention of rusting, then that is damage every year and that is very costly, so that transport of movement of that ship is very costly, so many parts are moving inside the water, so it is prevention of rusting, so that process is rusting. Ship are generally made of stainless steel, and now stainless steel are made from, that is the percentage of carbon are increases in that iron piece, that iron article. In that iron article, that is stainless steel, in mixed with chromium, nickel, magnesium, these elements are mixed to form that are stainless steel, so it is less reactive and less rusting, so its life is longer. And upper parts also are made of iron article, because a splashing of water on that side, so that is always water and oxygen are contact with that article, so it is needs of, that ship is needs of highly prevention of rusting, so that is use of stainless steel, because stainless steel in more chromium, nickel and magnesium are used to safety for rusting. Okay, thank you.